Hello everyone, welcome to Sunky Automation YouTube channel. Today I intend to show you how to display your webcams on web browsers by Python and Fast APIs. And following this video, I also will show you how to detect object over um, your webcam or your videos by using Fast API, WebSocket, and YOLO8. The first application I will show you the step-by-step of detection the display video for your webcam to web browser. For example, like this, I will display this. Let me start the server applications. In this project, I use Fast APIs. So before doing this, you need to install Fast API, like pip installs Fast APIs and hit enter. However, here's I already installed, so I don't hit enter anymore. But I will show you the display on your web browsers. Okay, the webcam will display everything by using Fast API and WebSocket. Data will transfer over WebSocket from here, and web page. I will show the web page here. Web page I will use localhost in port 8000. It's very important here because if we go doing localhost in port 8000, so you can display in local computer only. If you want to display in your local area network, you need to do some change from here. For example, I will give you an example. In case you want to display in your local network from here, you need to do some change from here. But I will do it later. The first time I will show you how to do this first. Um, First, I use Anaconda. I open Anaconda, create environment for Fast APIs, and install on the associate library like Fast API, WebSockets. So the requirement for this, you need to install some stuff like this. Install Fast API and WebSockets. Okay, and Jinja 2. What is Jinja 2? Jinja 2 is like to display a HTML in the folder template, like here. Yeah, template response HTML. So this library very important. Yeah. So I start from beginning. The library installing here in install application I go Fast API, and camera I use capture from camera 1. It means that USB camera connections, and template I use WebSocket here in this folder. And when I hit WebSocket index, it will go to index HTML. Send data from the webcam will transfer through WebSocket, like here y2 success frame camera dot read. If nothing finds, it will break the loop and rest buffer, and I will encode the frames and send it to client. So from here you can see display from here, but if you see from here you only display local computer only. So if you want to display is in local area network, like your smartphone, or you also use your any kinds of portable device in your local area network, you need to change the code from here. So from here you need to use hard 0 and you hit 0, and from here port 8000. When you choose like this, uh, your computer can access your local IP network. Your device will access your server IP network. And so you hit save. After that, you do some change in HTML file. Let me check the setting from here. Okay, from server, and I already saved solution here. What I need to do is check socket connection here. Okay, you can use two ways. The first way you can use is I copied both of them. Here you disable this one, so you can use in your local network, like WebSocket, new WebSocket, and WebSocket document domain, and plus local port and WebSocket. And if you use this way, you can access your website over local area network. So I will stop the server and reset it again, save and reset it. And you see the display unicorn running on this. So you can use your local network, or you can use your IP address. Yeah, yeah. So you see, if you can use your local area network, or you can use your IP address, you also access the webcam. Besides that, when you use the local IP network, you can use your smartphone, like Android or any phone. You open your browser and his IP address and port. You can see the streams of your video over WebSocket server. So your phone become the WebSocket client. Okay, um, I come back to important notes from here. You need to put it like this. Okay, I will put my course in my YouTube channel. You can watch and see this. Okay, we continue this. We already finished display your webcam over WebSocket. I am facing with, I would like to display many webcam over the network, but I'm trying to do solution on fast API framework. So now if I want to display the video, not display the webcam anymore, I want to display video over WebSocket, I need to change some small thing from here, applications. So uh, I I would like disable this and display a video only. Okay, from here I will remove this, and now I don't display my webcam anymore. I would display a video. I want to display, I will display a video. So what I'm doing is I hit off first and save the project and right click and run application again. So now if I hit refresh the page, I will display the video on my web browsers, as well as I can display my video any portable device. But when you see like it's run fast, right? I try to hit one more client and let's see what happened with this. Okay, you see the video is operating very fast. Okay, now server already complete on there. Um, the video complete. So the problem is I need to try to fix the problem how to start and stop video from WebSocket. I will do it later. This video already finished with display the video on display webcam. Now my third solution, I want to display object detection over WebSocket. To do object detection, I need to do some things. The first, I need to install YOLO library. However, I want to display, I want to use my local GPUs, so that I need to use CUDA installations. I install my two, like computer have two processors. One is CPU, another one is GPU. So if you want to run your object detection over a GPU, you need to install CUDA, PyTorch CUDA. So what you do, you need to go to PyTorch, get started, and locally. And from here, let me see. Okay. Okay, I go to CUDA version because my driver of CUDA, I installed CUDA 12.1, so that I need to use this link. I copy this and hit and copy to PyTorch and hit enter. I'm waiting for CUDA in PyTorch installation complete. After that, I install Ultralytics YOLO8 for object detections. And I'm doing install on a fast API V2 client with Python 3.11. And during waiting for installation of CUDA, I can show you some things from object detection. Now, the same project before I put from Ultralytic from YOLO. I import this. And secondly, I I, I can in the WebSocket, I put models and a result in model predict frame. From here, I will use YOLO to predict frames. From here, I will put device. I use CUDA 0 because I have only one graphic card in my laptop, so I use CUDA device 0. So by this way, your YOLO will automatic run. You run in device CUDA. However, the YOLO already set if your computer have CUDA, it automatic start is in device Euro device CUDA. Otherwise, it's running on CPU. Okay, now we need to hold some time for waiting for installation complete. Okay, from Anaconda V2 environment, Anaconda is one of the application used for create virtual environment for Python. So by this Anaconda, you don't need to create each project, each environment, because some project you can use the same environment. Like so, by this way, I use fast APIs environment, install it here. I'm going to see here because installation for CUDA is take long time, so I need to disable is a little short times. Okay, Python is still installations. During these times, I can move WebSocket. I'm facing with I would like to display many video at the same times on web browsers by using multi like three things, but I'm trying to do find a solution for fast APIs framework, web framework. So I already complete installations of Python. So next I install Ultralytic for this environment. Fifth, install YOLO8 Ultralytics and hit enter and waiting for installation complete. Okay, now Ultralytic and Python CUDA's already installed complete. I try to start a project. Camera width divide 0. Okay, let's start applications. Start run applications. Okay, now server already started. What I'm doing is open this link. Your browsers like port 8000 and wait for some time. Okay, now I already start a web browsers and I can detect any object over my browsers, like I can detect remote. Okay, cell phone remote, cell phone or remote. I also doing some mass. Okay, let me try this one. A cup. Okay, I will try the mouse. It's display cell phones mouse, but I think it's remote. Actually, remote mouse is okay. Another thing is like this. I don't know it's detect or not because like I think it's not inside the list of Coco Jam. Okay, now I already complete demonstrate how to use YOLO8 over webcams. I one more things I will show you uh, detect object over video. What videos do you only change this link? Okay, if one detect over video, you need to change small thing from here and save it and run application again. After running, so you come back to the video and refresh the page. and waiting for WebSocket. Okay, now you already display the video over WebSocket and on your browsers and display uh, object detections. And so this project is using Fast API framework. Next time I will use uh, Flash and Socket IO framework, and you can see these nice videos. Thank you for watching my video. I will put the link of the sources to website and you can download it. Thank you very much and goodbye.